Technology does make the classroom more fun, learning and retaining information easier for the students. It also makes learning boundless.
Aii CMRep, we are fortunate enough to have an incredibly talented, well-structured and passionate group of teachers. We have been given the best curriculum for our students, and the KID program has always been something that has been after all of our hearts, and we know what we want with our students. And we brainstorm, and in that way we get the best out of the curriculum, and this is the best curriculum. We use games, we use activities, we do interactive games. We are even implementing technology in the form of our E-classroom and our online worksheets. Aii CMRep has been so incredibly lucky that we have got this E-classroom on our campus. And what's the program that the children do?
So here at Aii, we have 21st century classrooms, which means we make good use of technology to enhance our students' learning experience. You know, people tend to think that technology is the enemy of education because it takes away the students' focus, it takes away their time from studying. But to be honest, kids nowadays are born and raised with technology. So instead of banning it from them, we use technology as a tool to help them. First, it enhances student engagement and interactivity. And also, it fosters technology literacy, which is a very crucial 21st century skills that children must have in order to be successful in the future. So basically speaking, technology doesn't just make the classroom more fun, it doesn't just make learning and retaining information easier for the students, it also makes learning boundless.
So we welcome the children. We would like them to come to us, and please contact us at Aii CMRep.